In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change slide size in LibreOffice Impress. Whether you're preparing a widescreen presentation for a projector or formatting slides for print, adjusting the slide size is quick and helps your content look its best. Start by launching LibreOffice Impress. If you already have a presentation you want to change, go ahead and open it. If not, create a new one. The process is exactly the same either way. Once your presentation is open, head to the top menu and choose Slide, then select Slide Properties. This opens a settings window dedicated to how your slides are configured. In that window, navigate to the Slide tab. If you see multiple tabs, make sure you're on the one labeled Slide so you're editing the canvas dimensions rather than things like transitions or backgrounds. You have two straightforward paths here. If you want a standard size, look for the paper format drop-down. This is where you can quickly switch to common aspect ratios. For modern displays and projectors, Screen 16:9 is a great choice and prevents black bars on widescreen monitors. If you're targeting older projectors or need a more square format, Screen 4:3 works well. Picking from these presets keeps proportions consistent across your slides without any guesswork. If you need something more precise, use the custom size fields to manually enter the width and height. You can type dimensions in centimeters or inches, and there's usually a unit selector right in the same area. Custom sizes are especially helpful for posters, digital signage, or platforms that require exact measurements. As you enter values, keep your aspect ratio in mind so your design fits the new canvas. Your existing content won't stretch, but the available space changes, so you may want to leave a bit of margin to avoid crowding edges. When you're happy with your choice, click OK to apply the new dimensions. Impress will update the slide size immediately. Take a quick look through a few slides to make sure text boxes, images, and layouts still look balanced. If something feels tight or too spaced out, you can return to slide properties and fine-tune the size until it matches your needs. That's all there is to it. Launch Impress, open your project, go to Slide Properties, choose a preset or set a custom width and height, and confirm with OK. With the right slide size, your presentation will project cleanly, export neatly, and make a stronger visual impact.